Hello, today we have iPhone 6 Plus and I will show you how to replace its broken glass. Let's begin. Disassemble iPhone, unscrew two bottom screws, open all clips along the perimeter. Remove the screen. Now remove all periphery of the display module. For that, unscrew many screws, putting them all ordered because they are all different. All the elements glued with adhesive tape are better to be removed after heating up, such as home button and upper cable. After removing all that stuff, heat up to 110 or 120 centigrades and remove the frame. This iPhone model has a very hard removing frame, so I will not show you all the process, it's long and exhausting. So we had removed the frame, and after control check we had to remove pieces of glass. Since the display is damaged very much and there are a lot of fragments, I decided not to remove the glass with the wire. I'm going to take out every piece with my fingers to reduce possible scratching of matrix. Experience shows that the matrix has scratches already before removing, because the display is large enough, and pieces of glass scratch it even at small deformation. So for the experiment, we will remove fragments in this way to show the polarization film is scratched not by the wire, it is already scratched. If anyone tried to remove polarization film and, moreover, to glue it up, share your experience, cause I never did. Now apply the liquid to clean circuit boards. It's great for softening the glue. Clear the glue with careful movements to avoid scratching the film. We need to unsolder backlight, unbend cable, and then, starting from the corner, we'll remove backlight. Try to capture all the films together so they will not be mixed and get less dirty. Previously, you need to degrease the fingers with alcohol and there will be no fingerprints. The matrix is needed to be covered with tape protecting from scratches. Clean it one more time and now we will apply the glue. The glue as usual has to be applied like this, X-like. Do not neglect the glue, rather let it come out more from the edges than distribute it in irregular layer, leading to the appearance of yellow spots. Carefully put the glass, avoiding air bubbles. Press glass down and align it relatively to the matrix. I align by the visible edges of the matrix. Wipe the remains of glue, especially pay attention to the area near the cable and crystal. It should be well cleaned and wiped, because there may remain some liquid glue, and after gluing backlight it can later flow under backlight. We will have a spot. Put back backlight, solder contacts. That's all. The phone is ready. Here we can see little scratches there on the polarization film of the matrix. The phone is fully working. I used B7000 glue for the frame and I left it to dry out for 10 hours. Thanks for your attention, watch my videos, subscribe the channel, goodbye.